Hey everyone! Have you ever imagined a world where creating apps could be as easy as describing what you want? Well, buckle up, because that world isn't just a fantasy anymore. It's real, and it's happening right now with something called the AI Uploader. Let's dive right in. The AI Uploader is a game changer in the tech industry. It basically turns your ideas into reality through 3 simple steps. Here's how it works. Step 1, crawl the web. Imagine you have an idea for an app. Maybe it's something that could revolutionize how we shop online or a new way to connect with friends. You don't need to code or even design anything. Just describe what you want, specify the data and the website you want the AI to crawl, and hit go. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's pretty close. The AI Uploader uses something called GPT-4o's intelligent algorithm to scour the internet for the necessary data and insights that will fuel your app. Moving on to step 2, build the app. This is where the AI really flexes its muscles. In real time, you can watch as this intelligent algorithm constructs a fully functional, cloud-based app. This isn't just any app. It's tailored specifically to your requirements, ready to capture sales, buyers, commissions, and clicks. And the final step? Bank big. You can start selling your newly created app, use it as a lead magnet, or even as an affiliate bonus. And here's the kicker. With unlimited resale rights, you're looking at unlimited profits. So what do we make of this? For tech enthusiasts, developers, and really anyone interested in the future of technology, the AI Uploader represents a significant leap. It's not just about the convenience of building apps without coding skills. It's about democratizing technology, making it accessible and usable for everyone. And let's face it, in a world where technology is king, tools like the AI Uploader aren't just useful, they're essential. They allow us to quickly adapt and innovate, keeping pace in a fast-moving digital world. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious newbie, the AI Uploader is something to keep your eye on. It's more than just software, it's a portal to the future of digital creation. And I, for one, can't wait to see where it takes us. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is just an upload away.